Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to restore missing health data from iCloud. To restore missing health data from iCloud, first of all, ensure that Health Sync is enabled in iCloud settings. Let's open settings on your device, and at the top, tap your name, which is your Apple account. Now let's go to iCloud, and you want to open section Items saved to iCloud. And if you go to Health, please make sure that Sync this iPhone toggle is on. That is very crucial. But if you do that and your data is still missing, then you have to try restarting devices and applications to refresh connections. So that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.